Hello and welcome to the science class. Introduction. The movement of an object is called motion. The movement in which things occur is time. An object said to be in motion when its position change with respect to time. Now, अगर आपके घर में बेटा दादाजी की घड़ी है तो उसे ऑब्जर्व करो. जब हम उसे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो उसके नीचे जो लटका हुआ पेंडुलम है वो पीरियोडिक मोशन शो करता है. कैसे? द मोशन विच रिपीट इटसेल्फ आफ्टर रेगुलर इंटरवल्स ऑफ टाइम इज कॉल्ड पीरियोडिक मोशन. पीरियोडिक मोशन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ऑसिलरेटरी मोशन. हाउ? द स्विंगिंग pendulum of an object work like this. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe a pendulum, oscillatory motion and time period of a simple pendulum, differentiate between uniform and non-uniform motion, and you can also plot a distance time graph. In this watch, you can easily observe the two hands of a clock and the numbers that shown repeatedly minutes, and each column has a gap of 5 minutes, and every circle has 60 division. It is the minute shows column. It is the second hand. And why we are observing this clock? It is common experience that the motion of some object is slow where the other has fast, and the distance covered by an object in a unit time is called speed of that object. The most convenient way to find out which is the two object moving fast or slow just to see in a unit time. Now, simple pendulum. Simple pendulum has a thread and a metallic ball. Metallic ball is called the bob of a pendulum if we lose at the lower end of this pendulum. But remember this thing, it should be a pivot end at the upper side. It means ऊपर वाला हिस्सा जो है fix होना चाहिए. Now, let me calculate the mean position of the bob. Let's summarize. Here, the motion of a simple pendulum. How we can? I lose it. And you can see the movement starts. A simple pendulum speeds to and fro motion of a simple way. This is called an oscillatory motion. Now, what is an oscillation? A pendulum completes every swing or every oscillation exactly in the same time provided its length is kept constant. In other words, the time period of oscillation of a given pendulum is constant. You can see in the picture. It means what is one oscillation? One complete to and fro movement of the pendulum bob is called one oscillation. The time taken by a simple pendulum to complete one oscillation, it is time period of that simple pendulum. The next is the length of the pendulum. You can see the length of a thread from the point of the suspicion to the center of the bob is the length of the pendulum. The time period of a pendulum depends upon its length. Every time when we lose the bob, and we note down the time here 2 times, and when it complete one oscillation, the time is same. Here it is 5/9 in both the cases. It means it is sure the length of a thread from a point of suspicion determine the time period of a pendulum of a given length is constant. Uniform and non-uniform motion. If the speed of an object moving along a straight line keeps changing, the object is said to be non-uniform motion. You can see in the picture. Next is uniform motion. If an object moves along a straight line at a constant speed, it is said to be a uniform motion. The car is moving with a uniform motion. If the speed of an object has been changed, it means we can plot a graph in between distance and time. It means we are plotting a graph with respect to the speed. Here we are plotting on x coordinate, we define the time, and y coordinate, we describe the distance. And regularly 0, 8:30, 10, 9, 20, 9:30, 30, 10. Here we measure a scale, x-axis 2 units for 15 minutes, y-axis 2 units for 10 km. After complete drawing of a graph, this is a question. How much distance is covered by a vehicle at 10:10 a.m.? You can clearly see it is 30 km. If we find out the speed, then you have to take time interval. Let me summarize. What is the summary? Let we go through. Let us summarize what we have learned. To and fro motion of a simple pendulum is called oscillatory motion. Time taken by a simple pendulum to complete one oscillation is called time period of a simple pendulum. If an object moves along a straight line, constant speed, uniform. But if it is not constant, it keeps changing. Its motion is said to be non-uniform motion. Motion of the object can be also presented in a pictorial form by their distance-time graph. And the distance-time graph for the motion of an object moving with a constant speed is always a straight